Hi, welcome back. Hello, professionals and students. Okay. How to define your own calendar in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay. So let's see this. So if you're already there in real time, so that, you know, you will not have any problem. But who is going to define this calendar actually? Okay. The transaction code is scale. Okay. Scale, you can remember SEAL. Okay, sometimes in interviews for fun or else he might have something out of his requirements came for SD consultants. They will ask what is this transaction. You can remember with fun. It's not a big deal. What I would like to say is, so how to do this we will see. But if someone asked you in real time, generally they don't ask you to define this calendar requirements. It is for or PP or consultants, finance consultants, very less time. So yeah, FICO consultants also won't define. This is defined by your production planning consultants or material management consultants. So what is the restriction stop you to create it? There is nothing like that, because factory is relevant for most of the times manufacturing and production planning, so that they will they they must aware of all these things. Okay, so let's try to check on SAP system. Okay, before getting into the SAP system, we just check this. So currently I'm holding 3000 plus students and 340 successful reviews, almost most of the times 4.4 and 4.5. It's highly rated. Of course, it should be 5 out of 5, but somewhere some students are like this. Okay, that's okay. It doesn't matter. So this is the course for 81.5 hours, which 234 lectures. The current knowledge transfer also will be added over there. So you can utilize this on ECC level. This is S4 HANA simple logistic. If you are not yet introduced, maybe it is useful for your interview, or else it might be useful for somewhere you have to get into your footsteps. SAP simple logistics and business partners. And this is, if you have doubts, this is one of my top rated course. So you can see this 104 reviews. It is continuously going on. Okay, so the rates currently what you are seeing is don't get into this. You will have a deals like, you will get these courses so 4 to 600. So Monday to Friday you can check. Sometimes in night it is there. And if you are not yet introduced to getting right to functional specification, you can do this course. And this is for stock transfers and intercompany sales, and this is intercompany sales and consignment sales in SAP S4 HANA. And if you would like to be expert, if you would like to enhance your pricing skills further in standard, another 9 hours it is available. Like this, I have set up courses. This is on rebates. Okay, this is on S4 credit management. Okay, I'm just providing all these things below of this video. You can utilize an opportunity to enhance your knowledge. Okay, so now let's get into the SAP and check this one. The transaction code is SCAL. Okay, so now let me show you an example. So for example, the calendar, it will be assigned at multiple places. So let me show you here. For example, if I take this customer, okay, so let's get into this sales area. Okay, I will show you one place, the calendar assigned at multiple places. Probably we will do another session for it. You can see this. Okay, you're billing, you are assigning, right, invoice dates and invoice list dates. So your calendar have a dependency. If you are scheduling a particular job, and on that particular day only, based on this calendar, it need to generate the invoice. Okay, this is one of that invoice list generation. This is also one thing is there. Okay, uh, so let's get into this. So the utilization is different. It can be utilized at multiple modules, even finance or HR. HR, it is very, very important for them. HR guys and guys and PP guys can able to create the calendar actually. Okay, let's see this, the scale, how it works, we see now. Okay, so /n. Okay, So now you can see this. First, you are going to define your public calendar. For example, in a financial year, what are all my public holidays? We have a different kind of holidays will be there. Okay. So like fixed holidays, for example, if you take the Christmas, December 25th is fixed always. But if you go to the Hindu calendar like Diwali, so it will changes. Ramjan, sometimes it changes. Okay, so it won't be fixed actually. It depends on the festival. For example, if you take someone's nationalist birthday, that is fixed. Ambedkar Jayanti, okay, or else Sachin Tendulkar's birthday. So like it depends. Like how you are going to plan. Being a private industry, you have independence. Apart from your public holidays, if you'd like to give something on your anniversary, you don't allow your people to work in factory. Okay, there are different cases actually. So let's try to define this one. So let's go to the change that is for display. So let's create. Okay. So let's try to see with fixed date. I'm just defining one public holiday. So date is 25th. So 12th. Okay. So you cannot guarantee this one, right? Which day particularly it come. So if it is Good Friday, then you can say that this is Good Friday. Okay. So if you want, you can take all these things, attributes. Okay. So maybe, so if you would like to restrict for particular people, then you can restrict here and all the stuff will be there. Okay. So let me put it. This is for Roman Catholic public holiday class. Okay. So like you can take it this ordinary public holiday, Christmas Eve. So Chris Eve I'm giving. Okay. Okay. Celebration. So it is on 25th. I'm defining this one. Let's click on create. Okay. It is asking for transport. So now it is got created. Okay. Let's create one more. Okay. So this is like a floating public holiday. So you can take, so which and all years, for example, 2023. Okay. Maybe month around, I'm just giving a rough, maybe this year when it came, even I am not sure. Okay. So let's take this one, somewhere October it is coming. So day is somewhere like, 27. I'm just giving rough date. Don't follow this. Okay. So Diwali, Diwali Eve. Okay. So I have defined two public holiday calendar. Okay. Not guaranteed. Let's keep this. Okay. So we have defined example. So for example, you will get a list from your client. You have to define here the public calendar, public holidays, and so the public holidays where it is available in calendar, right? You just define holiday calendar. That holiday calendar you assign to your work calendar. Factory calendar means your working calendar. Let's come here. So let's try to create it. In standard, generally it is a 01 will be there for you, holiday calendar. Let's create it. So like um, UF holiday calendar for, so for example, this is UN01 plant. For plant wise also I can define, for all plants I can define, or else country wise also I can define. So this is 2022-27. It is there. Okay. If I want, I can increase the validity also. Let's save this. Okay. Once you save this, just find here, assign holidays. What is your holidays? Okay. Uh, so let's take this Diwali Eve we defined. Okay. So you have a Christmas Eve, is there, right? I can take this. Okay, Eve I have assigned. So by default, if you want validity, you can increase or decrease. So if it is fixed, then I can go for it. Hmm. So where is this? See, we have all these things, what we have defined. Okay, this is sufficient. Let's try to get Diwalis. So let's select this. So like this, you can select. Okay, all these are selected for this. You can save it. If you want, you can delete the assignment. So UF. So now you got your public holidays and you got the calendar, what it is representing, and with the tenure. Now let's try to define our factory calendar now. Okay. So let's create it UU. Okay. And UN01 factory calendar. I'm just defining for my plant actually. Assume. So where is your holiday calendar? Okay, let's go to the search. U star. See, ours is UF we have defined. Let's press enter it. Okay. Factory date, if you somewhere it is going to start that you can able to mention it. So the calendar, my calendar is working from Monday, Tuesday till Friday and along with the holidays. So that, at the time of my delivery confirmation or stock confirmation, it will skip the date actually. So background code is there. If you have any special rules, okay, that you can able to do it. So like, the work is working day, non-working day, even for the same calendar, you can play accordingly. Okay. So now let me show you where we can able to assign this. Okay. If you come here, so before that, let me show you something here. Let's try to create a sales order. Okay. Let me take this guy. Okay. Let me take any other customer. So I have taken this material. Let's see this. So the schedule lines, what it talks about. So this is giving second, because what is this from 30. So if you look at our calendar, let me try to open 30. So 28, 29, 30, first, second, these many days, because lead days are there. Let's go now for the same customer. Okay, press enter. So let's try to change our calendar. What do we have defined? Okay. So this is for invoice, that is different. Okay. And let me go to SPRO, reference IMG, enterprise structure. Okay, so let's try to go to the definition. Okay, so let's go here. What is that? UNCD. Okay, so here factory calendar is there. I'm just changing to UU. Okay, for my customer to follow it. And let me show you one more place. Okay, this is UNG1. You can able to see. I can able to change the calendar these places. Okay, so this one is mandatory. Then I cannot help it out. I need to define work hours also. That's okay. That's fine. Okay. Now let's try to create sales order now. So maybe let's check. Still it is confirmed for second, same following the same because of lead times actually. Okay. So this is how anyhow this we can see. For that I will just make a session. So like detailed how the dates will be determined based on the different lead times. Okay. That's all for today. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, YouTube channel, you can subscribe it. This is my channel. Okay, so all these are the my videos. Okay, so if you would like to enhance your knowledge, you better subscribe this channel. Lifetime free for all these courses. Thank you very much. Have a great day. More importantly, what is that? It's very important in our life. Jai Hind.